All right, so here we are given the function, f of x is equal to negative 2x over x squared plus 9. Okay, and well, I want to find the domain of this function. So to find the domain of a rational function, you look at the denominator and you say, well, when is the denominator equal to 0? Because that would be what's not allowed to be put in. Whatever value of x makes the denominator 0 would be an input that's not allowed. So that would not be part of your domain. So if we take the denominator and we set it equal to 0, it's a negative sign on front, doesn't really come into play here. It's just whenever x squared